Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. This is the quick tutorial or the basic settings for this watch, Timex Classic Digital T78587. And if you want to know more about this watch, you can check our review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first, let's make sure we are in the timekeeping mode. And yes, on the top left, it should not show this word alarm or CHR. So it should be like this, no word CHR or alarm. And then next, press the top left button, the set button, and now we can start by setting the second. And yes, we can reset the second using the start stop button on the top right, but it will only reset the second, meaning that if it is 30 or more for the second, it will not round up by adding minute, but it will only zero the second. Okay, next, press the mode button, and now we are setting the minute. For this one, you can use the top right button, the start stop button, to increase the number. Okay, and yes, you cannot use this one, the split reset button, to decrease the number. So yes, only the start stop button. But yes, if I want to get back to, let's say, 17, then I will need to press and hold, and then now press one by one until I get to the number that I want. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting the hour. So for this one, you can change the time format by pressing this one, the split reset button. So this one is the 24-hour format or military time, and this one is the 12-hour format. But for this one, I will use the 12-hour format so that I can show you something a bit different with this watch. Okay, so yes, that's for the time format. And to change the number, you can use the top right button, so this one. Okay, and yes, let me set back to 10 p.m. Okay, press and hold, and then one by one. Okay, now press the mode button and we are setting this one, the month. And for the month, you can use this one, the start stop button, to increase the number. And yes, if it's passing the number that you want, just press and hold until it's almost the number that you want, and then press one by one. Okay, now press the mode button again, and now is the date. Also the same thing, use the start stop button to increase the number. Let me set to 26. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, and then press the mode button, and now is for the year. So yes, this one also the same thing. Press the start stop button until you get to the number that you want. But if it's already passing, then just press and hold until 2099, and it will cycle back to the year 2000. Okay, and then yes, you can set as you want. So let me set as 2025. Okay, now if you press the mode button, it will return to the setting of the second, and then press the set button to exit from this setting mode. And yes, that's all for the setting, and this is only 10 without the word or the letter P or A at the top right. But when we set the time, in this case the hour, it shows P. So that's the unique point of this watch, that it doesn't show the AM or PM on the 12-hour format. Okay, but yeah, let me set to become the 24-hour format like this, and yes, 22 or 10 p.m. Okay, that's all for the basic setting. I will also make a detailed tutorial, so don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.